Creating perfumes at home can be an enjoyable hobby or even a profitable business venture. Whether you aim to create unique scents for personal use or to sell commercially, understanding the essential supplies needed to make perfumes is crucial. Below is a detailed guide about the basic necessary supplies to get you started on your perfume making journey. 1. Perfume or essential oils. These are the core components of any perfume. The quality of your final product heavily depends on the quality of the oils you use. Essential oils dictate the inherent characteristics of the perfume, influencing its mood, quality, and personality. Always opt for high-quality oils to secure the best results. Note that essential oils can be more expensive than fragrance oils, but they often offer a richer, more complex scent. It's vital to research and understand the potential health risks associated with certain oils and use them appropriately. 2. Alcohol. Besides oils, alcohol is a key solvent used in perfume making. It helps to dissolve the oils and allows the perfume to be sprayed easily. Ensure you use a suitable type of alcohol, like perfumer's alcohol or a high-proof vodka, which does not have a strong odor. 3. Measuring, mixing, handling, and storage materials. Accurate measurement is critical in perfume making. Regular kitchen tools are not ideal for measuring the minute quantities of oils and alcohol required. Instead, invest in precise measuring tools specifically designed for small volumes. Glass containers are recommended for mixing and storing perfumes since they allow you to see the contents and are less likely to react with the ingredients. Dark-colored bottles can help in preserving the fragrance by minimizing exposure to light. Using a glass dropper with a tight, long neck ensures you can transfer the perfume without spills. 4. Fixatives. Fixatives are ingredients that help to stabilize the perfume and reduce the evaporation rate, making the scent last longer. They are essential for creating balanced and enduring fragrances. Common fixatives include resins, musk, and certain essential oils like sandalwood. Acquiring these supplies is straightforward since they are readily available at retail stores or online. Start by gathering these essentials and begin experimenting with different recipes and combinations to create your unique scents. Whether for pleasure or profit, making perfumes at home offers a fulfilling creative outlet. Happy perfuming!